Screws all over the place. I think I'm breaking my magnetic. It's probably the screw piece. I got this. Not, whatever. I've taken this out of there because I finally got the blue thing after the mail stole this. I used my thing. One of these whole box of these got swiped by, the whole controversy and whatnot. So anyway, I unscrewed this and screwed it in there with the wrong screwdriver, but whatever. Where's it at? But yeah, you gotta unscrew. There's a screw in here. You unscrew that. These are all really crazy screws. I just use a really small magnetic flathead. I've stocked up on rechargeable batteries. Yeah, that was a good shot. See, look how crazy that is. My computer's been broken for just about the entire COVID crisis. Lovely, ain't it? Give me a sec. Okay, yeah. The most difficult part is these things. You gotta pop them off without breaking them. And they tell you to get a plastic prying tool, but I don't think so. I didn't watch what I'm doing. Did I just put? I did put the right screw. I put the right screw in the left thing, and the left thing in the right. They're all the same screws, hopefully. I want any excuse, really, to buy another controller. Like that blue camouflage one or whatever. They call it like aqua camouflage or dark something, whatever they want to call it. No, but this is a really good controller. After I broke it already and had to get rechargeable batteries, it's a really great controller. They seem to just work on rechargeable batteries. Yeah, this just pries off without any screws. It's the most difficult, really. I broke. It works now. Maybe it's the other one. Maybe it's the other trigger. Like this thing sinks in and get launched. Yeah, see, I fixed that up. But during the whole process, I think I got a hair stuck in one of the vibration things. Vibration motors. So, oh, looks about done. I was hoping to one-hand this, but I don't think it's going to go in. No, it's going to take two hands.